Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and today is our final Merry Mini Monday. So, Monday full of minis, Christmas in July. We have one more Tuesday full of tinies tomorrow, Tinsel Tiny Tuesday, and then we are going to go back to kind of our regularly scheduled program. However, I will keep some Christmas in every now and again because there's too many cute challenges out there not to do that. So, I'm going to do a quick silent count of my money. I added $2, so it should be 32. Perfect. So I will set up I borrowed the green bow from Tiny Tuesdays because the red one kept falling off. So pull out. I do still have these on my website, the little Monday Full of Mini boxes. And I have my Isabel Gigi Nutcracker. I'll put that in the 3 spot. I have my little snowman. No, it's a snow globe and it's Santa. He'd be number 1 spot. Becca Budget 777 with All I Want for Christmas Is My 2 Front Teeth. This is so cute. This was her collab with Budget with Tiffany, and they did reach 500, but they are going on to bigger, better things, so keep your eyes out on their channels. And then, let's see. Am I missing one? How's this happening? I bet there's one in there. Okay, so up next is Our Beautiful Budgets. So cute with my... I don't know what I did to the candy canes, but that's going to go in the 6th spot. And then Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Beezy's Things is going to go in the number 2 spot. I thought I had everything all ready to go. Did I finish one and not put it in there? Ah, found it. How could I forget my Santa doing yoga that didn't get a darn thing last week? Okay, so that is going to go in the 5 spot. So I feel like, let's scooch you back. I feel like that should be a good position. All right, touching things. Okay, so I'm going to sit down. I am going to roll the dice. Add money. All right. Grabbing a Tina and $32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each one will get $2, and hopefully, maybe there's a few we could finish. And if not, I'm going to leave them in. Not a big deal. I don't mind carrying them until August. So here we go. 1. Santa Globe. 4. Becca Budgets. 1 again. 1 again. 3. Oh, now 3 gets something. 4. So are you guys ready for the Christmas in July to be over with, or are you going to miss it? 3. It was a 4. I thought about re-rolling, but 2. All right, come on, 5. Oh my gosh, I'm going to freak out. 3. 4. I guess this is just meant to be with me forever. 1. I only have a couple more dollars. 6. 1. This is my last 2. 1. Are you kidding me? I even moved it. Poor Santa. Yogi Santa. All right. Well, that was kind of a bummer. I guess I should have left it in the number 3 spot, but I always mix it up no matter what. Well, I'll just put him in first. And then let's see, we'll do Becca. We'll do Our Beautiful Budgets, and it's Brandy. And I got $4 this time. So I want a different marker. All right, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and $16 for this one. Each is $1. So 5, 10, 15, 20. I don't think I put where any of these were going to go. All right, let's do this one next. This is Becca Budgets. All right, let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. Wow, we only needed 2. Yay, we finished one. Guess it helps to add it. All right, so we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay. I still can't find my paper clips that are my Christmas edition. Here, I'll put a white one on. Well, hot pink Christmas. All right, so yay. Whoop, whoop. Put that there. And then let's see what we got going on here. I'm going to finish this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why not? My money, my game. All right, so we just gave it $4. Yay. And I hope nobody has a blue Christmas, but I'm going to use a blue paper clip. Did I count it? 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Ring that bell. Yay. It's more like push the cha-ching. All right, so I might put the 2 over to this Santa, but I'm going to leave it over here for a second. So let's see what else we got going on. Okay, my Isabel Gigi Nutcracker, that got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. Okay, up next is Beezy's Things. We got $2. Let's do green. So 1 and 2. So I got these 2, and I actually might finish this one with these last $2 from Becca's challenge. So that's a total of $4. Let's make sure it is 16. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Perfect. All right, so we have pink, blue. Let's use a yellow now. Yay for finishing Christmas challenges. Woohoo! Okay, so now we are caught up with all of our leftover money, but I feel like we got some here. All right, so we needed 6. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so let's see what we got. We can finish Santa Trapped in a Snow Globe. This is on my website. There's 4 different snow globe versions. And I think there's bigger scratch off ones too. They're not just this like roll and save or Monday mini. All right, so I guess I should mark it in there. Let's do green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's 4. So that's 16. So we should have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Perfect. This is fun. Yes. I've got to come up with something different than that because that's not what I want to do. All right, so I can't believe this one didn't get anything. Well, I'm going to give it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to give it $6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There you go, little Santa. Got a little something. All right, so now our Yogi Santa has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And this will be a save $20. So $6 more. Okay, so we just finished 4. So that's amazing. So we have 2 in here. We've got Yogi Santa and Nutcracker, which I don't mind having a Nutcracker in all year round. That's one of my favorite things. But now we get to go through this thing and pick out 4 to replace these guys. So how fun is that? I'm glad there's 4 because there's a bajillion. Oh, I want to do another Harry Potter, but I'm not. Okay, we're not going in that direction. Okay, the Budget Evolution. This was her little freebie that she had trying to get to 1,000, and she made it. So if you guys aren't following the Budget Evolution, you totally should. She's one of my favorite channels to watch. I love watching her Budget With Me videos. Super helpful. And yeah, so okay, so I'm going to use that one. I'm going to save some of the other Christmas ones for a little bit later in the year. Oh, look at how cute this lemon one is. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh, the lemonade one. Okay, maybe that. Oh, no, definitely doing an Olympics. Okay, those are Christmas. Let's see, soccer or gymnastics? I'm going to do soccer. Shoot. Do I do soccer and gymnastics? Because then that would be 4. Because that's going to be a time-sensitive one. Oh, wait, that doesn't go there, but that's okay. Oh, but I never did our Let's Be Cheesy Friends. I'm going to save the Budget Evolution because beach days are one of my favorite things. And I think in the fall is one of my favorite times to go because it's less crowded. So I think I'm going to do 3 Olympics, all 3 of them, and Let's Be Cheesy Friends because Neen has been so patient. Not that she has any idea, like she's not waiting on me doing this, but I've been wanting to do this for so long and I kept pushing it off. So I'm not pushing it off anymore. I'm going to do Budget with Tiffany. This was her reaching her goal, her 500 subscriber. And yeah, I cut it out all ready to go. So yeah, I'm going to do these 4. So I'm just going to set those in there. And then the lemonade and the beach one are just going to wait until we're done with one of those. All right. So Oh, I'm so excited for next week, and I'm glad we still have a little hint of Christmas, especially Yoga Santa and a Nutcracker. I mean, and then if you want to hop onto the Olympics freebies that Budget with Tiffany had, go check out her channel, watch a few videos, make sure you're subscribed, and double check. I think she has a Google Drive, so double check her description for it and probably all of her videos. So on that note, let's say goodbye to Merry Mini Monday full of minis. Mini. I'm so excited to have finished these. Let's try to not put a glossy one on top. So thank you so much for being here. And I didn't really chit chat. I was so excited to just hop in. But I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend and off to a great start. And week is off to a great start. And I will see you in Tinsel Tiny Tuesday. Take care. Bye.